How are you doing? Great. Thanks for asking. What can I do for you today? I would like to deposit some money. Are you depositing cash or a check? I want to deposit cash. How much are you depositing? I would like to deposit $300. What account do you want your money in? I want to deposit it into my checking account. Do you need anything else? No. That's all. Thank you.
How are you doing today?
Great. Thank you.
What can I do for you?
I need to withdraw some money.
How much would you like to take out?
I need to withdraw $300.
Which account would you like to take the money from?
I want to take it from my checking account.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Can I do anything else for you?
No. That'll be all.